Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and I know it's Sunday, but I want to spoil you today with another recipe. And I made these hot cross buns and I want to share with you all the process. I'm gonna use for the dough 250 grams of flour, 150 milliliters of milk, cinnamon, allspice, clove, the zest of an orange, 1 egg, 5 grams of dry yeast, 20 grams of soft butter, 50 grams of sugar, 100 grams of raisins, about 5 grams of salt, and also dry orange and lemon zest, because I want this to be super flavorful. Over yeast I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar, some of that warm milk, and of course 1 tablespoon of flour, and I'm gonna leave this for about 10 minutes aside in order for that yeast to bloom. I'll knead the dough with the mixer, so I'm gonna put the flour in a mixing bowl, and over it I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and all the rest of the dry ingredients. I will add of course sugar, I will add allspice, about half a teaspoon, nutmeg, half a teaspoon. I really love nutmeg, cinnamon, half a teaspoon, that dry orange and lemon zest, also half a teaspoon of each. Grate the zest of a lemon. Use only the yellow part. The white one, it's a bit bitter, so try to grate only the yellow part. Add that egg over these dry ingredients and start mixing. I'll add warm milk, the rest of that warm milk. You can knead this by hand if you want, but I will use the mixer today, it's gonna be faster. Also add that mixture of yeast that has been sitting down for 10 minutes, so now it's ready to be used in this dough. And I will knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Add soft butter. I didn't melt the butter, I just used it soft at room temperature. I like it more and keeps the bun fluffier for longer time. And what's left to be added are raisins. So all of those over the dough and mix them. I will have to leave the dough to rise for about 40 minutes until it's gonna be double in size. Cover the bowl. After you knead it well and leave it to rise, knead it again for about 5 minutes and let it rise one more time. The buns will be fluffier and nicer, so let it rise again in the same bowl. After again double in size, split it in 6 parts and shape each piece of dough in a tiny round shaped ball, and place them on a baking sheet, on baking paper, and let them for about 10 minutes again to rise. This recipe, it's all about patience, but trust me, it will worth the while. Mix now 50 grams of flour with some water until you're gonna obtain a paste. And I'll put this paste in a piping bag. If you don't have, use just a plastic bag and you can cut the one corner of it. Grease the buns with some melted butter. I melted in the microwave about 50 grams of butter. So I will grease each bun with this melted butter. In the meantime, I preheated the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes, but not before. With that paste, I will draw crosses above these buns. So just squeeze that flour paste on top. After you bake them, take them out and brush them with honey mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. I brushed them while they were still hot. You can serve them hot or you can serve them cold. They're amazing, they smell and taste awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you here next time. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.